welcome back to my channel. My name is Bev, aka Momobee, and today we're going to be unboxing this beautiful kit called The Lamb and the Dragon by JoJo's Art. And it's a Diamond Art Club kit. It's round, and this is the box that it comes in. Well, the box within a box. On the back of the box, we have how it works, so some instructions on how to exactly diamond paint, what's inside the kit, and ooh, choking hazard, don't choke when you are doing this kit. So I'm going to just open it up with my scissors. Scissor time. You know that, stop, scissor time. Da-na-na-na. You know, hammer time? I'm aging myself very well. My hands are very dry. I'm sorry. I'm disgusting. Please don't hate me. Okay, let's check it out. First, we'll pull out this thing. So this is a sticker. You can use this to put on your kits or when you kit up. Here is a beautiful thumbnail. So it's a darker painting. I really like it. It's something different than anything else that I have, and it's going to be 42 by 53 centimeters and around again, like I said earlier. Toss those aside, and then it comes in this beautiful bag. Here is another logbook or outside of the box sticker you can use. Here is our toolkit that I won't open up, but basically it comes with trays, with a tray, diamond painting wax, a pen, and a multi-placer, I believe, is in there somewhere. Put that away. I'm excited about the canvas, and I know you're just here to see the canvas, so I won't waste any of your time. And I just ripped it. Oh well. Pull out these drills. Here are the drills, the Lamb and the Dragon. Here's step-by-step instructions. And now let's unveil the canvas, shall we? Shall we? Oh my goodness. This is a dragon. Okay, let me just roll it backwards. That's a scary dragon already, I can tell you. A scary dragon. So, as you can see, here's the dragon. And here's the little lamb guy. Is he gonna get eaten by the dragon? That's so sad if so. No, he's so cute. And I love that, like, on the thumbnail, see there's not like pinks or purples really around here. But then when you get to the canvas, it'll be easy to drill because there's pinks and purples on the canvas itself, so it doesn't feel like you're just doing all black or anything like that. And so, let's take a closer look. Here's the detail on the lamb's face. Oh, scary little lamb. He's scared, the baby. And here's the detail on the dragon's face. As you can see, everything is clear. No blurry symbols. You won't even need a light pad to do this one if you don't want to use a light pad. Then we have another thumbnail on the painting. And then there's also the color list, and this one is 27 colors. I wasn't expecting there to be that many colors because, I mean, there's not a lot of colors on the thumbnail itself or the actual painting. So that's cool that there's 27 colors. And there's going to be 2 ABs, so 132 and 141. So numbers 1 and 2. 1 is in the eyes of the dragon and in his nostrils. And then 2 is a white AB, so it'll be in the lamb itself, which is really cute. And yeah, that's basically, yeah, the eyes, the nose, and the lamb are going to have the ABs, and I believe that's it. This will be really cool to do. I'm excited. I don't know if I'll do it next because I am already working on a round painting. I might want to switch it up and do a square next, but that's exciting. So let's take a look at the colors. I'm curious as to what colors are included in this kit. Move you a bit closer. Oop. So look at this. 310. 310, 310. There's, oh, actually, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 310s. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 939s, and then 336. So this must be the one with all of the dark colors. So there's some grays, some blues, and those 310s and the 939s. Crazy. And then here's the ones with the colors on them. So there's like some neutral tones. Whoop. More kind of, there's the ABs. One of them. Here's the other AB, which is this orange color. I think you can see that on camera. So these will be in his eyes and the nostrils. And then this one, this will be for the lamb. Can't really tell that they're ABs on camera, but they're extra sparkly. So these will look really good, I think. That's exciting. Yeah, so I'm not going to waste any more of your time, but that is The Lamb and the Dragon by Diamond Art Club. So let me know in the comments, are you going to be buying this kit? Is this kit something of your style? I've never worked on a kit this dark before, so I'm like really stoked and excited to do it. If you hit the subscribe button, you can join the Hive. There's no cost, it's free. Just hit subscribe and you will see when I upload new videos. If you like this video, please give it a like, and I'll talk to you guys until my next video. Bye!